Samsung Galaxy Note 5, 64 gig. SIM tool. Here we go. S Pen tips and the tip tool to remove your tip when it needs to get replaced. Adaptive fast charger. Standard micro USB. Rumors were Samsung was considering going with USB-C, but it looks like they've stuck with micro USB. And headphones. These are actually really nice. Nice case. If you look at the earbuds of the headphones, they're shaped pretty similar to the iPhone headphones. Previously in the Note series, they were in-ear buds, but these look a little bit different. Actually, they look exactly like the iPhone earbuds, so who knows if they actually sound better. But it comes in this nice plastic case, so that's a nice touch. There it is, quick unboxing of the Note 5.